This tutorial is for the Cics Content Delivery Server editor. Starting on the listing page, we want to select the editor icon. We'll click on that. And the editor page opens in another tab. There's a load of fields in here that we'll come back to. But if we hover over the left-hand green bar, we see the User Preferences menu. And we have some options we can choose there, such as auto load and auto check URL and the size of the log. The log itself is opened by hovering over the pink bar at the top right hand side. There it is. We can empty that log by pressing the X. Hovering over the green bar on the right hand side brings up the filter, and we can choose which file to read and click to reload that file. And here we see all the records in the file. We can put a filter in to show only what we want to see, and we've asked for HTML files. We can click on one to select it, and it's been instantly loaded given the user preferences we set earlier. And here it is. And this record is made up of a number of freeform text items, but as you can see, this drop-down box, there are other things that can be put in here. So just quickly looking up and down at those, there's some JavaScript there, some style sheets, but we don't want to do anything serious with this record at this time. We'll make a simple change to it. We'll just change the title. So we'll take that word out of the title there. Just quickly check whether or not we want to change the expiry for this, and we don't. We do want to replace the record, so we have to check that box and hit save, and we can see return code 0 both there and in the log. So that's a simple usage of the editor.